Great morning, great morning, great morning. How are you today? Great morning, everyone. Nuggets Neo, rise up, champions, rise up. Today we are at the Feast South Mall's charity golf tournament. This is TAT Filipinas or Hollow Ridge. You can see we're here in the driving range. See that? And we have our feast builder here, Brother James.
Hello. Good morning.
This is Kim. So right now we're having a golf tournament here, a charity golf, and it reminded me, you know, may similarities yung golf and you know, being a champion in life. Parang pareho siya eh, parang the champion's swing. If you'll see in the description below, the champion's swing, you have to swing like a champion. Kasi golf is a game of precision. This is a game of precision, determination, and mastering the long game. So these are exactly the three things that we need, the three skills that we need to win in life. So, pero let's make this different. Brother James. So, say hi.
Hello.
Sabi ko hi eh.
Hi. Not following instruction.
So I'm here with Brother James. I just would like to ask him, bro, ano yung similarity ng golf and how we win in life?
It's about having patience. Especially in this game, it's 18 holes. It will take you a long time. But the goal of the game is to finish. And in life, it's the same. Whether it's a long journey or a short journey, the important is you finish the game.
All right. So whether long journey, short journey, important thing is to finish the game. You have to focus in finishing the game.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right,
bro.
Right.
So that's our feast builder, Brother James. So if you'll compare golf and life, being a champion, hello, being a champion, there are three things, like sinabi natin kanina, three things that we can learn from this game. Sinabi na ni Brother James yan. First, to be technical about it. Good morning, Francis. To be technical about it, this is a game of precision over power. You know, sa golf, I'm not a golfer. No, I'm not. But, well, watching it on TV, and now this is the first time I've been in a golf, anong tawag dito? This is a driving range and a golf club, and watching those who are doing or driving or doing their thing. This is a driving range. One thing we learned: precision, small adjustments in their stance, a small adjustment in their swing can determine the outcome of the game. Diba? The same thing with what we're doing. Sometimes, kaya nga sabi nila, do fast, fail fast, so that you can learn fast, then you can adjust your game. So the same with golf. Just need to adjust. Keep on adjusting until you find the range, until you find the swing that would determine the outcome of your kakapagod yun the outcome of your palo. So that's one. This is a game of precision over power. So dapat precise yung paghataw mo. Pinapanood ko sila kanina, paghataw nila talaga yung bola is nagsuswing na paganyan. There's a certain p-hit on how you swing your club. That's one. Second, wait, let me catch my breath. Yung sinasabi ni Brother James kanina, this is about determination, patience. In life, the same. One failure will not will not determine your outcome in life. So with golf, yung isang palo mo, one round, does not determine the outcome of the game. You focus on the full 18 holes, and what's important is you finish that. You finish your game. So you're in it for the long haul. This is a marathon, not a sprint. This game is a marathon, not a sprint. The same is true when we were there sa fairway. You can see talagang ang layo niya. Then the player would swing the bat, papaluin lang yung bola, and then ang layo. That's what, one hole is around 430 yards. And then there are 18 holes. I was told that this area, Hollow Ridge Golf Course, is what, 18 holes. So imagine if this 400 to 500 yards per hole. Wow, that's around 70 hectares. So there, you're in this for the long haul, and consistency is the key. Yun na naman, lumalabas na yung term na consistency. Discipline, andyan na naman. So I mean, I don't know, but this morning's trip here, just having that ceremonial putt, it really drove on me some lessons that I'd like to share with you. First, precision over power. Second, you have to be in this for the long haul. So if you have like something that you're doing right now, I think you just have to dig into this two message that I am sharing with you, and the message that's shared by Brother James. Patience, really working hard, and then you have to know target, diba? Know where you wanted the ball to go, para alam mo kung saan talaga ma-hit mo talaga yung target mo. And isa pang realization here is you have to be fit. Because grabe ang layo, paakyat, pababa, talagang you need to have stamina, cardio. So as champions, that's our invitation right now, to work with precision over power. You have to have stamina, and you have to enjoy the game, and you have to play full out and finish the game, finish what you have started. Nagets nyo? That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. So if you'd like this, I invite you to like this and share this video. Share this to your friends, to your circle. We wanted to spread positivity. We wanted to spread these insights so that, who knows, someone out there might be needing these insights. I'm just here, just sharing this to you as I go on through my journey, and hopefully this will help you out. All right? That's it for now. My name is Neo Rayos. Do like and share. Oh, one action. I invite you, one action. What adjustment are you going to do today, if you're comment down, that will bring you, lead you closer to your goal, that will adjust your game? What's that one action? Comment down below. All right? Thank you so much. God bless everyone. This is Neo Rayos coming to you live from Hollow Ridge Golf Course here in San Pedro, Laguna. All right, thank you so much. See. All right, oh, ganda ng lugar. Then we are going to have our event later here, and right now I'm going down again dun sa may driving range. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. Bye bye. Tomorrow again. See you. Ciao.